conditions applied. What do I mean by that? What do I mean by that, people? On April the 26th, an article came out in the Observer stating conditions applied. Under that, you have Craig Butler outlines criteria for Leon Bailey's return to national squad. Throw some gasoline in the ants nest now. Be a trouble. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for tuning in. Massive, massive respect. Wanted to do this video just because I never have the time. That's how I'm gonna do it yet. But may I do it now? So go. Just get it out away from now. Anyways, alright, so it's officially confirmed that Leon Bailey won't be a part of the Gold Cup squad. The World Cup squad, sorry, my apologies, and also the Copa America. But as I said, in the last time when that interview was done by Daniel Blake, by the Observer, on the Observer, the conditions that were stipulated by Craig Butler for Leon Bailey's return would have been the inclusion of more Phoenix player. That's basically the entirety of the context. And he said he specifically used fair inclusion. The question may ask is there fair inclusion? No. I assume, based on the fact that there's no Leon Bailey in the squad, there's no Whisper in the squad, there's no fair inclusion. Now, what's next? Copa America is out of the way. Now, interesting to see if there's going to be a matchup, if there's going to be introduction of Dujon Richards in the Copa America squad. And if not, it would have most definitely meant that none of Craig Butler's conditions weren't met. Now, Leon Bailey did stated a few criteria of his own that he wanted to be fixed before his return. And apparently, based on the fact that he's not here, it would have meant that those stipulations were also not met. So, what next? That's the big question. Tentatively, I think it's now time for us to go and play the waiting game where Leon Bailey, Craig Butler, and Dujon Richards is concerned. Dujon Richards is kind of have an asterisk on it because the Copa America is still around the corner. Will he play? That's the big question. So, it's all going to boil down to all the way in September when we see the Nation League. That is going to be the biggest indication of what next. The player said he wanted some time. Definitely, he's getting the time right now. But according to the manager, I assume, based on the interview that he did, stated that conditions apply for the player to come back in. And that would have meant that maybe, just maybe, if those conditions were met, we might or would have seen Leon Bailey in this squad or also the Copa America. But apparently, as I said, the player has criteria and he wanted the break. Nothing at all is wrong with that. And he's getting the break right now. And as it stands, let's see if the conditions will be met by September. I will see the inclusion of Leon Bailey or Dujon Richards for the Nations League. Anyways, as I say, I'm not talk long on this topic. I don't think it's a topic worthy to be to elongate on. I just wanted to clear that up from now. I don't know anything about people are gonna say, why need to do this now? Give us around one man. Anyways, so you go. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Link in the description. Buy us a coffee if you can, and also in the comment section. People, see soon again. We're out. MG Sports TV. God bless. Boom.